This is an NMAX, YAMAHA NMAX or NMAX. It depends where you're from. If you're from Germany, it's NMAX. If you're from England, it's NMAX. And if you're from Greece, you can choose. Anyway, this is a YAMAHA NMAX, and today I'm going to show you to make complicated things easy for you. This, you just bought it, right? And it comes with a remote control. This is the remote control. This will make the moto to start without keys. You see, I don't put any key, okay? Okay, I can start the engine. Why? Because this is near. This is near. If I go 1 meter and more far, you can't start, okay? I cannot start. It's 1 meter. Here is the key. Can you see the key? Where it is?
Yes.
Ah, now appeared. Let's say it's here. No way. It does nothing. Okay? When I come near, boom! This is 1 meter. When it comes near the moto, 1 meter, everything works. Okay? So remote control needs to be in your pocket. Let's say you forget the remote control here inside because you was having this in your jacket, okay? And let's say it's hot. I'm going to put my jacket here inside, and this remote control is in your jacket and appears to be here inside because you put the jacket here inside and you close it. Remember what I just told you? 1 meter, it's good enough. So from here to here, it's good enough. So even if the key is not in my pocket, it doesn't matter. Why? Because the key, it is not in my pocket, but it's near. Okay? The moto. So yes, you can open. Boom! Here. So don't worry if you put your jacket and you close it. It's not the end of the world. You just open and start. Let's say you have one idea and say, you know something? I'm going to the beach. I'm going to swim. And I don't want to take the key with me in the seaside while I swim. I want to hide it. Let's hide it somewhere. Let's hide it, let's say, here. Let's say, moto can start because it's near, okay? You have to long press and count. Long press here, this button, okay? And count 1, 2, 3. Then you leave it. Now, even if it's near, doesn't work. It's dead. This is dead. This does nothing. Make sure now you don't have it in your pocket and goes under the seat because you're stuck now. This does not work. Nothing. Like it does not exist. And you can hide it somewhere. You can hide it here, let's say. You name it, okay? You name it. But right now, what I can tell you is that it does nothing. So you have to press and wait, 1, 2, 3, to come back to functionality again. Press, 1, 2, 3. Now you leave it. Now, it works, okay? Wait. Let's say you go to the mall and there are 1,000 motorcycles parked. If you press, quick press, not press and hold. Oh, my moto is here. From far away, from 20 meters away, you press, oh, here is my moto. okay? But, wait, another information. If you press and wait, 1, 2, 3, this is dead now, as I told you before. If you press now, there's nothing. So this is good to know if the remote control it's locked or not, even, because now it does nothing. I know that this is dead. I close it. But it does not work anyway. So I press and wait, 1, 2, 3. Now this is alive. As you can see, it works. It works even here. By the way, when this is open, it does nothing. So this is the information about the remote control, the functionality. Now I'm going to tell you, give you some tips about this, that you, as an owner of NMAX, must know. So this, if the battery goes about to die, maybe it's going to last you 2 years, I don't know. You have to replace it. But how do you know that the battery is going to die? So Travel Moto is here to tell you in a channel on YouTube that when it's about to die, when it has only 30% left of battery, indication will appear here. It will tell you that something goes wrong with the remote control, okay? So when you see this, you need to replace the battery soon, okay? Another tip I want to tell you, let's say something is wrong and let's say battery dies, okay, from the moto, and you press and you cannot open. There is no battery anymore. How can this work? So there is a key. So there is a key, okay, from Yamaha, and here under, this is locked, okay? Hold here. I take this. Let's say I lost it, okay? Under, there is a cover. This cover is going to be disgusting, huh? This is just for emergency. You have to search well. Here I found it, okay? I take the cap outside. It's difficult to see with the camera. I put the key here. Boom! Okay, and now I can take the remote control that was stuck inside, or any reason that you need to open, okay, without battery, without electricity. You can still open. Make sure when you take the key, make sure you close the cap, because all the humid is going to be inside the locker and it's going to have rust from the humid and it's going to not to work anymore. So make sure you close the cap. Important. So we are still here talking about the key. Now, last but not least, let's say, by the way, I give greetings to UK people, send you my love here from Greece, making video, and I speak English for you to understand, and for anybody else. But special hello to people in London, Birmingham, Wales, and Scotland. Manchester too, so all the big cities and all the big part of UK. So I send you my love, okay? And now here is a tip. Let's say you're supposed to have this in your pocket, right, when you drive. Let's say you put something else. Let's say I put this, same pocket, okay? I put it here inside. Maybe accidentally I press the button. Long press, and this gets dead. Don't go to the Yamaha dealer before you try to long press again. because maybe something was in your pocket and accidentally has long press. My dealer, Yamaha, here in Greece, NOULAS, told me that many people, not many, but some, like 2, 3, all these years that he has a company, they went there and they say that this is broken. So, and finally this was long-term pressing accidentally in the pocket, okay? So make sure, if this does not work, it's dead, make sure to long press 3 seconds and to see if it works, okay? Because maybe something went in the pocket pressing it. So, period. Finish with this. Now, let's say you start the engine, okay? Because you have it in the pocket, you can start the engine. I start. I don't want now to smell here inside. It's not good for the health. So let's pretend that this motorcycle works now, like this. And Madeleine wants to go to supermarket to buy beers, Kaiser or Amstel, any beers, Budweiser. For me, I say, please go. She starts the moto, but the key is here with me. We got confused. Me and her got confused. So MOTO and Madeleine, that holds the camera right now, say hello to my friends.
Hello.
Say hello to my friends.
Hello.
Not with British accent, with Greek.
Hello.
So, she, Madeleine, and MOTO is themselves alone without the key. I'm far away, waiting for Madeleine. I don't know that the key is here. I forgot about it. Madeleine forgot about it. And motorcycle brings one orange light here in index saying that there is a problem with the key. Okay? So when you see this, you better go back. You go back to me and say, something is wrong with the key, maybe you have to give it to me. Oh yes, here is the key. Here, take it. Okay? And then when it's near this yellow, orange, stop. So all in normal again. So, but let's say that you ignore this orange because you are a moron, or because you are tired, or because you didn't see this video. So you ignore this orange, okay? Indication that the key has problem. And you go and you arrive in the kiosk to get the beers. When you close, is a MOTO. You arrive, when you close, does beep, 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 beep. One sound does beep, 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 beep. Then you have some seconds to open again and start the engine. This beep, 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 who comes from the MOTO tells you that you forgot the key. I give you some seconds only to start the engine again and go back and get it. So you don't need to use a taxi, get a cab, okay? So it gives you just some seconds to start the engine again. So when you start the engine again, you can go safely to where you started and get the key from the pocket, from the person that left back there. So this is how it works. I think I say everything about this system. I covered everything. It's open. I will take far away the key, far away. I don't want to start the engine now. Okay, the key is far away. And I close. Beep, 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 beep. Now I have to open. Oh shit. Immediately. This beep, 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 beep is because the key is far away. If I bring the key near, Now it's near, 1 meter near. I close, and the bike doesn't not care about this because the bike knows that you are near with the key. One more time. I start the engine from here, okay? The key and the moto separate far away. Moto works normal. There is no way to make you anything, to give you trouble while you drive. It shows one indication here. Wait there. Shows one indication here while you drive. And when you close it, 1, 2, 3. This 3 seconds. Still opens. Let's see another attempt. Maybe 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still opens. It takes more time. One more attempt.
Can I say something?
I close, come here near. This blinks.
It's going to stop until this blinks.
Yes,
We don't have to count.
yes,
This is what I wanted to
yes, I know. Maybe 1 minute. It's not seconds, it's more. We wait here, we wait.
Yes. Maybe seconds. Our dealer said about the beep, 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 beep.
Let's see what will happen now. Now you're stuck. You need a taxi.
Yes.
It's something like
15.
40 seconds. Not even a minute, but almost a minute. So don't rush and get panic. Relax. You have time. You are in Greece. No worries. Here is all relax. Even though people work from morning until night and still don't have money, no problem. Just relax. This was a joke. Okay, this was everything. The review with the key from YAMAHA NMAX. The video is going to be in the end. If you UK people from England like me, please leave a comment so I can always thinking of you and make videos from you. And by the way, do you understand my English, or I was talking alone by myself all this time? Leave a comment if you understand my English. Only UK people can know if they can understand my English. The other should not talk about my English, okay? Only UK people will say, we love you and we love your English and we want you more, to give us more. And don't worry, I'm here.